Hello guys, welcome to this channel once again. Today we want to talk about staking, how you can make a passive income. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button and put on the notification bell. So staking is basically holding your money for a period of time to earn a passive income, to earn an interest over a period of time. So one thing you have to know about staking is, let's go to more. More. Let's go to more. Locate your staking. So when you look at this, you realize each coin has a period of days. They ask you to stake your money with them. Which are 30 days, 7 days, 10 days. So you go for the one you can hold up to. Don't make that mistake and go for 30 days and later redeem your coin when you have done like 15 days. No, you get your capital, but the profit will be ruled out because the agreement asks for 30 days, not 15 days. So you look through and you select the one you want, and for you to get to make a huge profit, you have to find the one with the highest interest rate. So probably 150 is higher than 225.32%. So keep those things in mind. So now let's practically do how you can stake. In a previous video, we show you how you can convert a crypto from one to another. So let's say here I'm not having any high. So what I have to do is, if I have any currency, I have to convert it into high and come here before I can be able to stake it. So after staking, you just click on the agreement confirmation, then you confirm it. That's all. So what you do right now is we go ahead and click on stake. And we are going for 10 days. So I want to go in with the maximum I have, so I'll click on maximum. You can put any amount you want here and click on the service agreement. So after clicking on it, what you have to do is just click on the confirmation. So right now we have locked our $25, which is 22.0 voxel. We have staked this and we wait for 10 days to come and come and redeem our coin. Thank you for watching.